everybody, it's Becca J. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to mask, and I hope you can understand me because I am seriously congested. I have another sinus infection, and here in the Southwest, in the swelter, you know, there's not a lot holding down the dust and the dirt, so when the wind blows through, it's just massive sinus infections, colds. Yeah, so I have like my millionth one for this month. But that's okay, because I'm going to mask and I'm going to feel good for the next couple minutes. We're going to try this one. It's Real Nature Longan. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing it right, by the Face Shop though. I did look it up. I thought these were nuts. They're actually like little berries, and when you open them up, they look like eyeballs. The fruit is white, and it looks like a white translucent grape, and inside of that it has its nut, which is like a purpley black color, so it looks like a little eyeball. Very interesting. This is for anti-aging and wrinkle care. That's why I looked it up, because it doesn't say on here what it's for. But so it's face mask with Longan tree fruit extracts. Yes. Says the Oriental herb extraction process is our special way of extracting ingredients from Oriental herbs. The herbs are ground, roasted, and decocted in the traditional way. Okay, and the air pocket pulp sheet mask. The air pockets within the sheet contains a plenitude of nutritional essence, providing natural moisture and nourishment to the skin. Okay, so same old, wash face. Clean it up with a toner. Pull out mask, carefully place on face, 10 to 15 minutes. Then lightly pat face to absorb remaining essence. And this one, I'm just feeling it. It feels pretty juicy. Let's see if I can actually smell anything, because I haven't been able to for like 3 days. It smells just something fresh and clean. Almost smells like a wet wipe. I don't know. Okay. There's what it looks like inside. Yeah, it smashed itself down to the bottom. And it's not a milky essence, but it's not fully clear either. It's got a slight white tinge to it. It's gonna fight me to open. I should do like super stinky masks when I have these sinus infections. That way I can't smell anything. Because I have some in my stash that sound like they will smell kind of scary. Okay, so first thing I'm noticing is the slit is not in the center. They have two on each side of the center, and I'm dripping. so that gets a nice, good fit in the forehead. Slits in the not the nostril, in the bridge of the nose. Nice overhang on the actual nose. These go back pretty far. There's actually a slit in the corner of the eye too, which is interesting. I like that. But yeah, this goes back pretty far, a finger width from my earlobe, which is very nice. The nose band is okay. It's on the smaller side. There's a slit along the chin and along the jaw. China! Okay, so overall it has a fairly decent fit, lots of slits to make it fit you better. I like the eye slits. So that means I can bring it up a little bit higher than normal and it will stay out of the eyelashes. But that way, this anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, I can really get under the eyelid, in the under eye area without bothering my eyeballs. It wrinkles a lot, but okay. Okay, 10 to 15 minutes. I will be back. Okay, so I did my whole 15 minutes. I probably could have gone longer because, look, see, it's still very moist. I don't know. But I did my 15 minutes of fame. So let's take this off and see if we're left with 20-year-old skin. Wouldn't that be nice? Oh. Off with the old. Let's look at the new. Okay, it says to pat, but I like to rub it around for a little bit to spread it about. Helps kind of thin it and get it evenly applied. And then we pat and push. Okay, I am not seeing any miraculous difference. Wouldn't that be nice though? You know, if there was a sheet mask that like took off 10 years right away, I would pay for that. But I'm very nice and moisturized and hydrated, almost to the point of too much. I have a nice little tack, almost like a good makeup primer tack. My under eyes seem less dark. I'm still pretty poofy, but I'm also not feeling great. But they do seem less darker and maybe more supple. Dang rooster. Supple is just a nice way of saying supple is like a nice way of saying that I'm not plushy, I guess. I don't know. Makes no sense. I don't like to say that I'm fat. So we're just going to say I'm plump and supple and big boned. Yes. Okay. So for the anti-aging and anti-wrinkle, this would have to be used multiple times over a long period of time to really see the really good effects of that. But everything else I feel a little more evened, much more supple, very nice and hydrated. It was a relaxing experience. I'm going to give this one, a good solid 8 out of 10. I liked all the slits in the mask. I really liked that it had them in the eyes and I could adjust that to get up under the eye area without actually getting like my eyelashes hooked, because I hate that. The upper lip band was a little on the thinner side, but it was still had good coverage. The nose had great coverage. Everything covered really good. It's just, to me, it was nothing amazing, nothing was new. Even though I have never tried this mask, I didn't have that, oh wow, effect. I just had a, oh, that's a nice sheet mask. So it was good, not overwhelmed, but I don't know if I'll try it again. I don't know though, that left me really smooth, really soft. I don't know. No, I'm not like, wow, some of them I've taken off and I'm just like, holy cow, this was amazing. Like I said, I'm just not overwhelmed, but I wasn't disappointed either. So maybe I will try it again. I don't know. I have a lot to go through before I worry about repeat buys. Okay, so if you have it, you want it, you love it, you hate it, leave me a comment, let me know. Let's share our feelings. Okay, so have a great day. Bye.
Good job, Mom.
Don't forget, click, like, subscribe.